myself. You just turn the camera on and do your thing. This is what I'm doing though. I'm just literally putting ice in there so I can chill.
Remember God can. When you get down, heart filled with despair.
On my phone, every moment, I'm getting reminders of school starts.
Heart filled with
I have no service.
Please leave your message for 20.
Absolutely no service. I'm here at Ikea. Right there. Ikea. Kia. Here at Ikea. Waiting for Tania to come out because we're gonna go eat right now. I think we're gonna eat. We're gonna do something. I don't know. She drove to Sacramento because she had to buy something here. And yeah. Yeah, do you mind if I put you in my video? If I'm recording a vlog, do you mind if I put you in my vlog?
I work for the body shop, man. I can clear up those headlights, fix that damage for you.
How much?
Pull over, I'll look at it.
I'm gonna go over here.
All right, nice.
Alright, so I found Tania. And also these guys, they want to do some oxidation or clean some oxidation on my headlights or whatever. So we're gonna see what they want to say. But I'm gonna go right here just to talk to them real quick. Let's see what they have to say. Alright, so what's up, man? You want to clean that stuff on there or what?
Yeah, you see how it's all oxidized and all right here?
Yeah.
So what it is, I have a clear coat material.
Okay.
That takes care of all the oxidation. Clear these ones right up, make them look brand new.
How much is it?
And then you have the damage here in the quarter panel. You had like one dent right here.
Yeah, I got some
Scrapes
dents.
in the body.
Yeah, for sure.
So you had the little faded paint. I can actually get that one done for you, cheap and reasonable. I want to charge you over here a body shop, something like that. I'll do the whole car around, fix all the scrapes, man, for $300.
$300. What about just for the lights?
For the lights, man, I'll do them for $50. Usually they're $150 in the shop.
So what's your TikTok?
High-Tech's Auto Body.
High-Tech's Auto Body?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll have everyone go follow you.
All right, hook it up.
Yeah. Are you upset?
What?
Or are
Well,
you still mad at me?
well, what did you do?
Say what I did.
You asked me if I was hungry, and I said, I'm okay. And you said, I hate it when people can say yes or no. Is that what happened?
Something like that.
Huh? Waiting for the other one.
Yes. It's good. It's good. What do you think? What would you rate it?
Huh?
What would you rate it?
It was okay.
Like, give it a score.
For Americans, it's probably a 9 out of 10. But I'm Asian, so it's probably like 6.5.
I'm gonna give it like a 7.7 out of 10. 7.7 is really good. 7.7 is above average. I would go back for sure. Would go back. Just my stomach hurts, so like it would have been even better if that wasn't happening. I haven't had enough water today. I just realized nowhere near enough water. Too much caffeine.
heart filled with despair. Remember God can. When you get down, heart filled with despair. Heart filled with despair. Heart filled with.
I wonder how much this is right here. It's a good store. I have this book right here on my phone. Reza Aslan. There's actually a lot of good books here. I'm pleasantly surprised. Not that I didn't expect much, but it's exceeding my expectations, actually.
caffeine. And
Probably like 5. I feel super shaky from the amount of caffeine that I had. I haven't felt shaky in a very long time. I need some water. I realize I haven't drank any today at all.
Heart filled with despair. Remember God cares. When you get down. Heart filled with despair.
That's it. Just want to get some.
Heart filled with.
Me drinking it. What do you think of Sacramento?
it's alright.
It's not that great.
It's not as bad as Modesto.
It's better than Modesto, but it's not that much better.
Yeah.
It's okay. I've lived here for like, I'll say 2 years, but really like full time for a year now. And oh man, I feel waterlogged from drinking that so fast. Sacramento's okay. Everyone makes it out like it's amazing and this and that. I don't have anything bad to say other than that it's dirty, but it's not that cool. I don't know. It's all right. My eyes are dry right now, so I'm just taking a little bit of a break before I start driving. I dropped Tanya off right now at Ikea to get her car. She's driving back home. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start making videos again. What else? I don't think there's anything left to say. I wish I would have talked to you guys more directly, but I'm just getting into this vlogging thing again. And more interesting updates. Nothing bad to really, I don't know, tell you guys about. Everything's going pretty good, you know. I just haven't been uploading a whole lot of videos, but this is going to be the first of many moving forward. And yeah, I missed you guys. I'll give you guys more of an update on my job tomorrow, or in the next video. It's gonna be more about what I do at work, I suppose. And yeah, we'll catch up slowly, but everything's going good. I miss you guys. Follow me in the links on the description, and I'll give you guys all a follow back on Instagram and TikTok and that whole deal. And let me know if you need prayer for anything. And I don't know, I'm trying to make this I'm trying to make this outro sound more personable than not, but I don't know how to do it. And I'd rather just ramble, because you guys are used to that coming from me. So I guess rambling is natural. I'll see you guys next time.
Heart filled with despair.